Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck or struggling to make ends meet? What if I told you that with just a few small changes, you could take control of your finances and secure your future? Stay tuned because I'm sharing 5 powerful financial tips that can transform your life. Step 1. Track your expenses. The first step to financial stability is knowing where your money is going. Start by tracking every rupee, dollar, or pound you spend for at least a month. Use apps like Mint, NAB, or even a simple Excel sheet. You'll be surprised to see how those daily coffee runs or impulsive online purchases add up. Once you know your spending habits, you can start making intentional choices to cut back and save. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs can derail your finances. That's why an emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small by setting aside a fixed percentage of your income every month. Remember, it's not about how much you save initially. It's about building the habit. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt first. Debt can feel like a financial black hole, especially if it comes with high interest rates. Focus on paying off these debts first, like credit cards or payday loans. Use strategies like the avalanche method, where you pay off the highest interest rate debts first, or the snowball method, where you start with the smallest debts for a psychological boost. The sooner you're debt-free, the sooner you can start building wealth. Step 4. Invest early and consistently. Saving is great, but investing is how you grow your wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow due to the power of compound interest. Even small investments in mutual funds, stocks, or retirement accounts like a 401k or PPF can make a big difference over time. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Step 5. Live below your means. The final tip is simple but powerful. Live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of what you love, but being mindful of your spending. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Practice delayed gratification and focus on spending on things that truly matter. Taking control of your finances might feel overwhelming at first, but remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. By tracking your expenses, saving for emergencies, paying off debt, investing wisely, and living below your means, you'll set yourself up for financial success. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content.